Gonna eat your toast?
Yeah, I'll eat it. Fucking black.
Used to jail food, mate.
Black like me.
Does it taste nice?
Tastes like shit.
The wasps have finally left us alone. The black cockies have come over, screaming. So I think she may just rain. As Velma would say, the black cockies are come over. Starting to cool off, but still warm. I didn't pack no pajamas. I look like shit, feel like shit. Might just take some Valium and go to bed. Got to be up and back home to wake Rolly up for school tomorrow. He's probably having a party. I can't tell him to feed the dogs because I've got no service. And my phone's nearly flat. It won't work every time I touch it. It goes out of service. Oh, fuck, a belly sore. All them clouds are pretty. There's Jesus up there. Yo, God. Send me some aliens. Or Jesus. Or somebody to stop the war. Blessed be, amen. Boop, boop, boop. LA, Lisa Armstrong. I was looking at your titty. So I was looking at your titties. Where are they? You need to shave again. You're turning into a hairy monster. Oh, there's some cocky still going off. We'll get bogged down in this bit. That'll be freaking funny. Hashtag not. Here he comes. Look. Here, Vilma, look, there's three of them. What does that mean? Where are they? I can't see them. Oh. You can hear them. Oh. That's weird. I can't see them on here.
Hey.
Oh, shit.
Right, then.
Oh, yeah, there they go.
What are you doing?
Not much.
Oh.
That's Terry.
Oh, it's Tessa.
At the bush.
He's finally got his way of camping.
Up here camp with your mum. Yeah, we're right. Yeah, I'll put you on your mum anyway.
Have you fed the dogs? Ask him, has he fed the dogs?
Have you fed dogs?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's right. My phone don't like your mother because this goes out of service when she touches it.
Yeah, well,
No,
I heard Mum, I was having a deal.
no,
Oh, yeah.
no party.
No.
He said no, there is no
Look,
party.
split. Split fire. Do you know what that means? Just
Oh, yeah.
we should be home to wake him up for school anyway.
Mum said we'll be home to wake you up for school anyway. We didn't suck, so
But set the alarm anyway in case we
set
get
your alarm
bogged.
anyway.
Because it looks like it might rain.
Yeah, we found the cave end, the fucking little cart you go across, but fucking your mother forgot to take the rope.
Oh, you won't even get up fucking where the cart was.
Why did you sort of tape it?
I don't know, because your mum wants to.
For...
Hey.
Why did you sort of look for tape?
Because there's two or three Chinese boats sitting out of Burnie there now. You know what they're there for? To attack. So, I'm looking for a new home.
She saw the fire we got going, it's mad as.
Wait, is there actual Chinese boats coming into Burnie?
Yeah, go to
Yeah.
Ship Tracker and see what's sitting out Burnie. There's 3 boats. And then there's a funny thing next to a boat.
It'll probably cut out in the end.
Yeah, I seen that. Oh, I actually seen that in the sky the other day.
Them lights last night.
Nah, it was like it was like the actual Earth was like just lit. It was like a massive like line strip up through the sky. It was weird as.
Yeah, I'll
It
say
was on
it.
seen it on someone's story the other day. And I was like,
Yeah, they're
Yeah,
saying
last
it's
night.
Elon Musk satellites all in a row.
oh yeah, that's what they said it was. Yeah, but
But a lot of his satellites went down when we had our last big solar flare, and we've only just had another one. So, if you follow that stuff like solar flares and
Well, obviously right,
yeah,
it does.
so it's called Ship Tracker.
Oh,
There's a rope there. Look,
but, yeah.
orange rope hanging in the tree.
Oh, yeah.
Someone's probably hung themselves there. Just saying.
Probably.
Alright. Bye. Look, that's Death Tree. Look. Are you hanging around? I might need to go sage over there, I think. It's a bit weird, isn't it? Bit too far away to swing off the tree to the... It's a bit twisty, spooky tree too, isn't it? Good old blackwood tree. Interesting, interesting. Do 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 do.